Hi, welcome to Career Development 1, mini lecture number 3. The purpose of this mini lecture is to discuss the theory of work adjustment. And the theory of work adjustment is a fairly simple theory. It's pretty intuitive in the sense that it is about a goodness of fit between person and workplace, like all of these theories. The language in this theory is a bit complicated. So I'll try to break it down in less complicated terms in this mini lecture. Like Holland's theory, this is about, of course, about finding that goodness of fit, but this theory is a good one if we're working with someone who may want to change their job or career. It's also, as the name implies, adjustment, a good one if folks may want to stay in their work or career and find ways to make it a better fit. So, theory of work adjustment, also known as TWA, this theory focuses on individuals' abilities in relation to those required by their job, and the individual's needs and work values in relation to the rewards available on the job. So here we have that reciprocal nature. The person needs something of the job has needs something from the person. And we're here to help clients find what the right fit is, and how flexible that client is determines what might need to change, like maybe their job. So TWA talks a lot, this is specific language that you'll find in this theory, satisfaction versus satisfactoriness. Satisfaction is how well an individual's needs are met by a job, and satisfactoriness is how well an individual's abilities and skills meet the job requirements. So TWA says that both are equally important in the prediction of work adjustment and work tenure, sustainability, how long someone stays in their job or career. So again, specific language within this theory, abilities and values. Abilities are the groupings of acquired skills, values, the groupings of needs. TWA defines 6 values: achievement, comfort, status, altruism, safety, and autonomy. Satisfaction is predicted from the relationship between one's values and the available occupational rewards. And those occupational rewards, it's not just a monetary reward. It's not just good benefits. There's many different ways that employees, that people can feel rewarded in the workplace. And you know that. Personality style variables. TWA talks about 4 personality traits that inform how individuals interact with their work environments. Celerity. This is how quickly one interacts with their environment. Pace. This is the intensity or rate of interaction. Rhythm. The pattern of the pace of interaction with the work environment. And endurance. This is sustaining of interaction with the environment. So in practice with our clients, our goal, as always, is to determine our clients' needs. Here, we're also determining their abilities and values. And how does this match the workplace needs and possible rewards? Like many of these theories, there's a component of assessment here. And with this theory, it's likely that the Minnesota Importance Questionnaire, MIQ, would be used. The MIQ measures work-related needs and values and plots them as relative to various work environments. The MIQ is free, that's the good news, but it's complicated to score. So a counselor really needs to be prepared and read the manuals and all of that to be able to accurately score this assessment. The counselor should explore areas of discrepancy. Are the client's needs being met? Is the client aware of their abilities? And the counselor should explore environments in which clients have experienced the most satisfaction and problems. And we always want to keep an ear out for patterns and themes. And this is where I think that MFTs and PCCs are really well equipped to engage in this kind of career counseling because we're trained, we're prepared to keep our ears out for patterns and themes, to be linking. And we want to be probing for examples on where else this shows up in their non-work life. Again, as MFTs and PCCs, we're well trained, we're well prepared for that. That's baseline for us. So we're really working to determine if the client wants to adjust to their current position or find a new one. And that's what this theory is really good for. So in closing, I ask that you consider, what are the limitations of this theory? I ask that you consider that with all theories. What are the limitations? How have the 4 personality style variables shown up in your life? And that's from slide 6, celerity, pace, rhythm, and endurance. And what might be some valuable workplace rewards beyond pay and benefits for you or someone else? As always, if anything needs to be clarified, you know how to find me. Thanks for watching.